gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
I come back.
Okay. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruth and today I've got beautiful guests. So I'm with my friend
Adrizzyyyyy.
Hi guys.
Hi.
And I have my cousin
Mason.
Anna, don't make noise. And my cousin
Mason.
So yeah, today I invited these beautiful ladies to come play a little game with me. So it's called Who Knows Me Better. I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. But what happens is that I have a few questions that I'm gonna ask them, and then they're gonna write on a piece of paper, and then after that they'll reveal their answers, and then I get to pick which one is correct and which one is wrong. So yeah, I'll keep the scores on this piece of paper and then we'll share the results when we're done. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited to see.
I promise I'm not competitive, but I just want to win. I'm afraid I'm going to lose.
Oh,
It's just a game.
it's just a game, guys.
Still.
What's that password again? Oh, never mind. Got it. So, without wasting any time, why you?
I wasn't peeping, sorry.
Okay, so the first question says, oh, I got these from Google, by the way. Yeah. So the first question says, what does a perfect weekend look like? That's for me, by the way. What does a perfect weekend look like? So I think we're gonna give them 10 seconds to decide. So I'm just gonna start counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop writing. Stop writing. What's yes? Stop writing. So this one says chilling with friends. She says chilling with friends. And then this one, Bagang says with family, church on Sunday, and brunch
Later on.
Ooh, child. What does a perfect weekend look like for me? I mean,
Don't lie.
Guys,
This girl is a big family woman. Okay.
both are kind of correct, but I like my space. I really like my space. If it was up to me, I'd go somewhere alone from Friday to Sunday or something. But obviously, I am gonna go to church, and obviously, I like brunch.
And family.
Just that I'm broke for now. But I think this one is more correct. So my gang is more correct than this one. Sorry.
Can't they give you that?
So it's 1 point for Bakang, 0 for Mason. So the next question says, what are my goals for the next 10 years? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Oh my god.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Stop writing. I'm so bad. So this one says to have a complete family with 5 kids and
Married.
handwriting now again. Handwriting now again.
That's why my mom is just over. I'm just like,
Married with, is this for 4 kids? Married with 4 kids, travel to
Bali.
Oh, is this how you have money? What's this?
A.
B what?
Business blooming. It's written business.
Guys,
That's abbreviation. Business blooming.
okay, that's fine. Yeah, in the next 10 years, I see myself married. Both are correct. I just want 5 kids. I used to want 7, but now it's 5. So this one was lying.
I thought we reduced to 4.
No, why would I do that?
Because it's kids.
And I also want to travel. But this one is more correct. So 1 point for Mason.
Yes.
0 for Adrizzyyyyy.
No. Wait.
But I want 5 kids. From 7 to 5.
But you also want to travel to Bali
I mean, yeah.
within the next, like in between the next 10 years. So it's 1 point for both of us.
No.
No, it's 1-1 for married and then
I have to
1.
choose one that's more precise. So, one of my biggest fears. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop it. To have a person who wouldn't love your kids. This one is from Mason. Yeah, like you born. Failure.
You said 1 of your biggest fears. Oh yeah. 1. Guys, I can like so I can like
No, like okay, I'm literally stuck here because I don't think any of them actually qualify for real. Like, if I have someone who doesn't love my kids, I get rid of them. Why? Like, it's not that difficult. And then in terms of failures, like failure in terms of what?
everything failing at
Like what? Because I feel like whenever I try something and it doesn't work out, it's not really like a big loss for me. I take that as a lesson, or sometimes I just accept, you know what, I tried this, it didn't work out, we move. We try something else, we learned from that. It's cool, it's okay, like. So,
fine 0 for both of us.
I don't know. I can't beg. 0. 0 for these girls. 0. I'm for real though. The next question says, what is my toxic trait? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop writing. Guys, Adrizzyyyyy says psychoanalyzing everyone.
Toxic.
What I've never seen one. Is this the answer? 0. 0 for Mason. 0.
Toxic. Let things be sometimes.
Yeah,
want
he's
things to
more
be.
than a toxic.
Your toxic trait. Ruth psychoanalyzes each. What is it again? Can I do the condition? We'll speak about this after the video. Why nobody related the condition? Oh, no, bipolar. You're not Lily's. Got the schizophrenia here or some nonsense like that. This girl has psychoanalyzed each and every one of her friends, and that is toxic.
This is displaying
It's
so
toxic.
many different personalities in literally 30 minutes. Then, honey, you're sick. You need help.
And that's toxic.
But it's true.
But it's toxic.
Okay, I gave her 1 point. I don't have a choice, do I?
So you remember, Bailey, for her to give you 1 point, it means she agrees.
No, I mean, I can't. In most cases, toxic traits, you never really know you have them until you hear them from somebody else.
True.
Or one. So, I don't know. So, the next question says, what annoys me the most? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Tisa. Hey, madam. Lying. My cousin
Oh,
says
yeah,
lying.
yeah, actually, yeah.
Moody people.
And unreliable. I didn't even write unreliable properly.
Moody people.
They're gonna judge my spelling. I meant this.
Yeah, but it looks
I meant
correct.
unreliable people.
Oh.
Moody and unreliable people.
I feel like this one is more correct.
Yeah, I agree.
I hate liars. Like, guys, what's the game? Why do you have to lie? Why?
Oh,
Why? Like, huh? Like anything. Why do you? Why? Why do you have to lie?
yeah.
Why can't you just be honest?
True.
Why?
Ain't nothing but an
Hey.
answer.
Like if you're 30 minutes away, say I'm 30 minutes away, it's better for me to relax, knowing the truth, than going guys and trying to make me happy with a lie.
Look at how passionate she is about this. Guys, don't lie to her. If she
Anyway,
looks crusty, don't tell her you look beautiful, okay?
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Don't lie.
So, am I an early bird or a night owl? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I want to hit this with there. Please. Early bird. This one says both. First of all, I barely
No, we are the
sleep
ones
at night.
Yes.
I barely.
But you can wake up on time.
No, like I barely sleep late.
Oh.
Like my time
I feel like
on average is like 10 p.m. Unless or something is bothering me, then I'm gonna sleep at late, like very late, like my 1 a.m. But hella average. Nah, the queen hella high 9:30. I go to bed, just try and meditate and worship and whatever, pray. 10 o'clock, I'm out. So
Because I feel like she doesn't sleep though. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm always sleeping, but she doesn't sleep.
because I wake up, even if I sleep at
I think
5 a.m. in the morning, then I'm at
Yeah.
6 o'clock
Yeah.
inside, I'm awake.
That's why I feel like she don't sleep.
It's so really. What was it again?
Because here we sleep.
Oh, when you sleep, sharp. No. Competition, you rock. She'll win, I'm telling you. So,
So I'm judging, guys. Sleep is good.
what am I really good at? 5, 4, 10, 9, 8, 7,
Like one thing.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop writing. This one says nails. She says cooking, dressing, supporting. I mean, I'm good at both, but we'll give a friend to this one. Because she wrote too many things. Sorry, no. Next time.
No, I thought you said only one thing.
I said I don't know. Like,
You
what's wrong with a baby girl? So the next one says, what is the one thing I would like to change about myself? What is the one thing I would like to change about myself? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
I don't know.
Yeah, she says I don't know. Like legit. This is what she managed to write.
Yeah, I don't know.
Asma. I wish she never thought about that, hey? I'm for real. I've never thought about it. But yeah, maybe if I could change it, it's yeah.
Something that you would.
That's why I was waiting till late. So yeah, I think I would.
But
I never thought about it, but now that I'm seeing this, I would have said nothing. Yeah.
You
no,
seem to give me.
Well, I
You
don't
give me my
know.
point.
Mm-hmm.
Maggie has 3 and I have. Okay.
Oh, good. Or 30 years. Which app do I use the most? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. They won't see WhatsApp.
I mean, you text, you call on WhatsApp, honestly. So.
I mean, the thing is, okay, I'm on WhatsApp when I'm replying text. But when I'm waiting for text, I'm on YouTube watching videos. Guys, like I legit have more than 300 downloaded videos that I watch. I watch, delete, download. Watch, delete, download.
Okay.
So I message you, and that's when I actually go on WhatsApp. But actually, I'm gonna check on my phone. I will check. I'll write the point on the screen after checking that. Because I know my phone actually thinks. I can't check now because I'm recording in it. But I will definitely check which app I use the most. And then I'll take a screenshot and post
So
it.
no point for both of us.
Yes, for now.
Okay.
We'll see.
I can have
So the next question says, if I could travel, would I go to the past or the future?
Whoa.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, they both say the future. And they're both correct. Why would I want to go back?
Dude.
Why? Why would I want to go back? So it's 1 point for both. So the next one says, would I rather date a man who lies and is rich or one who's honest and broke?
Isn't that
10,
obvious though?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5. They both say honest broke. Yeah. I knew you guys would get this correct.
Yeah, because you're so passionate about liars.
So, the next one says, what is the first thing I do after waking up? Like in the morning, what is the first thing I do? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
I think it's the same thing though.
It's kind of the same thing. This one says tranquility, and this one says pray/meditate. Yes, I do both. Guys, it's okay. I wake up, and then I will sit in bed for a good 30 minutes, and I actually don't want disturbance. So if I'm supposed to wake Riley up at 6:30, at 6 I'm awake, so that I can have my 30 minutes time to myself. Then I'll start working on getting her ready for school. So yes, I actually wake up just to keep quiet when the house is quiet. You at home, I don't like people who are noisy when they wake up. How do you just wake up and start talking? How? Like, you need to defrost.
Yeah.
You need to. Anyway, 1.4.
Yeah, just don't talk to me in the morning.
Exactly.
Honestly.
Like, don't do that.
Yeah. And before bed.
Yeah.
Alright.
The second last question says, if someone gave me 1 million pula, what would I do with it? I think we can say 3 things. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. This one says Martires Catering, Time Rich House So. This one says build an estate, invest somewhere. Somewhere you can.
Ow, my kitchen again.
That's how much
Mama
wrong.
boutique again. You do that.
I mean, the first one, they're both correct. I want to build a Martires or like an estate.
I feel like invest somewhere what I was trying to say is that invest on what makes sense to her right now.
Yeah.
If catering doesn't make sense to her right now, it would be pointless to invest in it. If modern boutique, so that's why I get it.
Okay. Because most of the money would go to the estate.
Exactly.
So it's okay. I'll give you both 1 point.
Yeah. No, guys, she cheated. Everyone, guys.
What happened? 1 million pula. I cannot plot. 1 million pula. Can I plot?
Let's continue. You know your fave.
One of
you guys is going to comment, wait, what, I was cheated.
No, you are not. That's the problem. The last
I
question
was
says,
thinking,
what can I talk about all day? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop writing. Stop.
I feel like it's so hard to put it in a shell though. What did she write?
Guys, my cousin says matatama.
I'm coming to that in a toxic egg.
What are you? Family God peace.
Because you're so passionate about God, like you could literally go on and on. You're so passionate about having a family. You're so passionate about having peace in general in life. Like those are things that, guys, you can fall asleep.
Okay, no.
Listening.
I'm gonna give it to Margaret. Because I won't talk about family, I won't talk about God, I won't talk about peace. I mean, God, obviously, I'm gonna mention like every time. The peace is when, as and when a conversation leads to that, you know, then I'd mention it on family.
Talking about Matata always leads to her talking about peace.
Matata, like for real. Even on my phone, if I'm on Facebook, you know these pages, one on a woman, white.
Yeah, you're so
and I'm always reading that to my cousin, like, hey, don't say you what about it.
Yeah, you're so right, actually.
So yeah, I'm gonna give it to Margaret.
Yes.
And then we are done. So let's see the score. Margaret has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Bakani has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes!
So that's a tie. Okay.
This is not bad. I thought the bad was
Yeah,
no,
it's
it's actually not bad.
It's okay, you did good. You actually did good. I never expected it.
Girl.
Thank you so much for coming to my channel.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much.
And thank you guys for watching. I hope it was a good way to kind of learn more about me, you know? Yeah. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my subbies. Thank you so much, you guys. Like, I really, really appreciate it. We are growing every single week. Like, we're growing, and I'm really, really grateful. So if you haven't subscribed, please click the red subscribe button down below. Like, guys, it's for free. Just click it, okay? So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Thank you, and we'll see you guys. I will see you guys next week. Bye.
I win. She just cheated me.